What's the one thing that can turn a data disaster into a minor inconvenience? A reliable, recent backup. Let's make sure your QuickBooks desktop data is safe. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. For a manual backup, go to File, Backup Company, Create Local Backup. Choose Local Backup, and follow the prompts. I highly recommend saving this backup file to an external drive or a secure cloud service like Dropbox, not just on your computer's main hard drive. For true peace of mind, set up automatic backups. In that same window, you can schedule daily, weekly, or monthly backups to run automatically. You can even set it to remind you to take a backup when you close the company file. My crucial pro tip: use the Verify Data tool before your backup. Go to File Utilities, Verify Data. This checks for corruption. Always back up verified data to avoid saving a damaged file that you can't restore later. Your financial data is irreplaceable. A robust backup routine is non-negotiable. Are you team manual backup or automatic scheduler? Let me know your system below. For more essential business safeguards, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.